me! Close my shit! Close my shit! We going. Close my shit! Close my shit! Close my shit! Help me! Help me! Close my shit! Close my shit! Damn, bro! Press it off! Damn!
Yep, never again.
Where's my legs? Help me! Oh no!
What are the potatoes doing out?
It's me, Dad!
What are these doing out of the kitchen?
No! Dad, wait, stop!
Olivia, go wash your paws for dinner.
Dad, it's him!
Yeah, we let Hammy know it's almost dinner too.
Him, jump! Stop him, Liv! Oh, Dad, wait!
Olivia, what?
Look!
Alright guys, this is Bubbles, my pet catfish, and she outgrew her aquarium, so we're gonna put her in her new home. See you, Bubbles. There's your, oh my god.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Here goes nothing, boys and girls.
Hit it!
This is awkward. Oh, shit.
Real name is Meso, but they call me Fire Breathing Dragon.